We left the Sri Pakpra Boutique Resort in Petalung for the roughly 2-hour drive down the western shoreline of Talai Luang, heading to the historic city of Songkhla, the provincial capital and maritime gateway to the massive Songkhla Lake region. We turned east between Talai Luang and Songkhla Lake. Then we turned south along the Gulf of Thailand shoreline. We planned to stay in the Heritage Old Town district, but the hotel we chose turned out to be pretty rough, so we went in search of an alternative. Not so easy, given that it was Songkran, a holiday in which many Thais travel. We were able to get a room at the Laguna Grand Hotel and Spa, Songkhla, and while not in the historic district, it was very nice. Problem is, they only had availability for one night, as the Songkran festival is a big thing here in Thailand. We grabbed a bite to eat at the hotel and called it a night. We were up early and headed for Shalata Beach, the epicenter for Songkran festivities here in Songkhla. As we turned onto the beachfront road, it was pure mayhem. We parked the car and proceeded to join the festivities. Songkran is an important event on the Buddhist calendar and is the start of the new year. The splashing of water signifies the washing off of the past year's misfortunes, making way for a fresh new start to the new year. That might not be so obvious when you're in the middle of the festivities. The colored powder, called Din Sor Pong, is a type of natural talc derived from limestone. It is meant to symbolize protection and ward off evil spirits and bad luck. People gently smear the powder on each other's faces as a way to bless one another. This is about the purest, most warm and friendly fun we've ever experienced. No booze by law, no drugs, no attitude, no anger, no violence. Go find that back home. We left the beach area and headed to the city of Hat Yai, about a 40-minute ride during normal times. Today, it took us over 2 hours. While the festivities at Shalata Beach were pretty wild, nothing could have prepared us for the craziness in Hat Yai. And little did we know that the hotel we booked was in the center of town and ground zero for the biggest water fight in southern Thailand. We drive into the belly of the beast in our brand new car, hoping for the best. So this is the famous Gai Tod, which means fried chicken, in Hat Yai, Songkran. And if you could smell this chicken. And this is where the magic happens. Wow.
This is the most famous dish, Gai Tod, or fried chicken. We got it with sticky rice, fried garlic, a mango salad.
Wow.
I think she likes it.
Definitely worth waiting for. We came here yesterday and they were closed because of Songkran, and they said they were going to be open today, so we came back here. It was definitely worth the wait.
What's that sauce?
I haven't gotten there yet.
Well, I did taste the fried garlic, and it is spectacular. I also tasted the Songkran, and that is spectacular. I also tasted the fried chicken, and that is spectacular.
This is a 27-year-old Santerra hotel. So while it's nice, it's dated.
Cityscape. Hat Yai. Here's the view of the street from our hotel. I told you it was located at ground zero.
People with water guns as far as the eye can see in every direction.
So Bob found us a Syrian restaurant near the Centaur that we're staying in tonight in Hat Yai. What do we have here, Bob?
Hummus, baba ganoush, muddable, pine leaves, shawarma, and grilled halloumi cheese.
We were pleasantly stuffed and soaking wet, so we headed back to our hotel to view the madness from afar. And here's that same street the morning after. That's about as far south as our travels will take us on this trip. It took us 2.5 weeks to get here, and now it's time to start heading home. We have one more area we want to explore as we head north. This one will be of particular interest for those of you that might be considering moving to Thailand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button to be alerted to future episodes. Cheers from Hat Yai.